guys, Coco here from Heart of Exploring. Today I am opening up a couple boxes from Jonny Bass. I'm super excited to see what's in them. Let's open it up. Little envelope. Ooh, some stickers. Very nice. Alright, let's pull this out. It actually says on the outside the box what's in there. Very cool. Here is a cooler. This would be perfect for keeping my bait cold or my drinks. Let's see how to open it. There we go. It has these really nice latches. Oh, look. Bottle cap opener I can open my Coca-Colas with. And here's the inside of it. Pretty nice. I really like this. I'll definitely get some use out of this. Alright, let's move on to the next package. Let me grab it real quick. Oh, I just ripped the box. Alright, on to the next box. Super excited to open this one. It's a lot bigger. This is super awesome. So what they sent me is the console trolling motor pod. This thing is so nice. Oh, check, I really like that. That is so nice. I really like that. I really like that 8-ball shifter. Here's some other parts. We'll figure out what they are later. And then let me take them out a masterpiece of it all. Oh my goodness. I love this. Here it is. The trolling motor pod. There went my phone. This is so nice. Definitely will get some use out of this. This will be good for like the lakes and stuff I go to fish at. Won't have to pull out my engine, my big engine. I use my engine mostly on like the river and stuff, and you know, wherever, but this will definitely help me on the lakes. I'm super excited. I just want to say thanks to Jonny Boats. All right, appreciate you guys. Adios.